Did you know that wetlands act like giant sponges? They can absorb up to 1.5 million gallons of floodwater per acre. Imagine a natural water park, but instead of slides, it's all about soaking up excess rain. This quirky fact means that restoring wetlands is like giving nature a superpower against floods. By letting these ecosystems thrive, we not only protect our homes, but also create habitats for countless species. So next time you see a marsh, think of it as nature's flood-fighting superhero. Like it, comment and subscribe for more fascinating stories.